My name is Hermann Engelhardt. I'm originally a physicist, but now my specialty is glaciology. I work in the division of planetary and geological sciences at the California Institute of Technology. Okay, I was in Antarctica for 13 years and I saw big differences, big changes going on in the ice. The ice is now melting and moving much faster than it was 10 or 15 years ago. So I learned the importance of the ice for humankind. The ice is some kind of controls our well-being. It's like a thermostat for the Earth. If we get rid of the ice, the Earth will get into fever. So saving the ice is for me an important thing, and that's what I learned in Antarctica, working with Antarctica. My field is I'm a glaciologist, an ice physicist or iceman, and I study the physical behavior and physical properties and the motion of the ice. That is my field. So I monitor very, very closely what's going on in the Antarctica and also in Greenland, in the other part of our ice on Earth. And my message is that the changes are going too fast and we have to really try hard to reduce these changes and to make our Earth livable for the future and for our children. The problem is we take measurements in the Antarctica and in Greenland, and we see then taking repeat measurements, we see changes going on. And so to predict the future, of course, we make models. And these models depend on initial conditions, on measurements, on facts. And these models, of course, cannot predict precisely the future, but they can give you the trend. And the more measurements we take, the better the models are. And what we predicted 10 years ago was much different from what we predict now. Changes are going on much faster than we thought 10 years ago. So things are changing, and probably in 10 years we will see even more dramatic changes. So the call for action is right now. Glaciers started to surge. We call these glacial surges. They just take off.
So the Columbia glaciers are gone.
It's gone, yeah. All the lower part that enters into the ocean, and we suspect that similar things can happen here. That these are practically huge tidewater glaciers, and
but they're blocked by an ice.
They are blocked by these ice shelves, but the ice shelves get weaker and weaker because the ocean gets warmer, and the ocean gets warmer because we lose sea ice, and if we lose sea ice, more energy is absorbed from the sun, and so this is
temperature making.
I explained this is a self-accelerating positive feedback, what we call it all the time. Yeah. So tremendous changes are going on here in Antarctica. Only Antarctica is so far out of the view of public, but it is a crucial part of the whole story. Yeah. Because the changes in Antarctica and in Greenland and in the north are much more dramatic than changes like here. We think changes are here too, but this is, well, we want to save our Earth, and we want to take seriously the changes that are going on, and we need to work all together to make these changes happen much slower and even reduce these changes in order to make our Earth livable for our children and our grandchildren. So,
Okay.
should we make it fatter? No,
That looks
it's
great.
fine. Okay.